How to fix activation fail on Viber. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Failing to activate Viber can be due to various reasons. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Play Store, and here in the search bar tap and search for the Viber app, and make sure your Viber is updated. Update your Viber, and after that you will be able to activate your account or log into your account. If you are still unable to do so, then you can simply go to the settings. In the settings, tap on the app and notification options, and you have to tap on the app info. After that, search for the Viber app, and here you have to tap on the storage and cache option, and you have to clear the cache over here. After doing this, you will be able to log into your account. If not, then you can go back to the home page, and you can simply tap and hold on the app, and from here you can uninstall the app and reinstall it. And by doing this, you'll be able to log into your account. So in this way you can fix activation fail on Viber. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.